In today's video, I'm going to teach you about different types of object snaps, or OSNAPs, in AutoCAD. Understanding how to use these snaps can greatly enhance the precision and efficiency of your drafting work. So let's dive in and explore these features. Let's start with the endpoint snap. This tool is designed to help you find the nearest endpoint of a line, arc, or any other object in your drawing. It's incredibly useful when you're trying to connect lines precisely without any overlap or gaps. Make sure to hover your cursor close to where you expect the endpoint to be, and the snap will guide you right to it. Next up, we have the midpoint snap. This is particularly useful when you want to find the middle of any line, arc, or similar object. The midpoint snap ensures that any adjustments or connections you make are symmetrically balanced, which can be a great help in achieving perfect alignment in your designs. Moving on to the center snap, this one is absolutely essential when dealing with any circular objects, including circles, arcs, and ellipses. It allows you to attach or draw new lines that radiate out from the exact center, ensuring absolute precision in your circular arrangements or designs. Now let's talk about the intersection snap. This is your go-to tool for catching where two lines or shapes meet. It's perfect for bringing together lines or setting a reference point that you know exists precisely between two intersecting elements, making it an instrumental tool in complex designs where accuracy is key. Perpendicular snap allows you to draw lines that intersect another line perpendicularly. This is handy when you must ensure right angles, or simply maintain a precise geometric relationship between different parts of your drawing. Tangent snap is specifically for curves. If you're working with any curves, arcs, or circular objects and need something to touch off tangentially, this snap will help you place lines smoothly along those curves. The quadrant snap is used on circles and arcs. It locates the four primary points: top, bottom, left, and right. It's quite handy when working with symmetrically balanced objects and can ensure that elements are aligned conveniently at these important spots. Next is the insertion snap, which is essential for managing blocks, text, and attributes. This helps you pinpoint their exact insertion points, making sure everything is precisely placed within your drawing. We also have the geometric center snap. This particular feature comes in handy when working with closed polylines or splines, allowing you to find and snap to their centroid, thus aiding in even distribution and perfect alignment. Finally, the extension snap feature creates temporary extension lines, helping you place new points with exact distances or proportional relations to existing points. This one is quite beneficial for maintaining consistent dimensions and alignments in your projects. By understanding and using these object snaps, you can greatly improve the precision of your drafts in AutoCAD, ultimately leading to cleaner, more accurate designs. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.